Hey guys, this is really exciting. We're going to be taking a look at a new Oris watch. This watch basically was launched. Our rep was like, here, we got this new watch, it's going to be cool. Do you want it or not? I saw no pictures of this watch, so this unboxing is going to be the first time I see this watch, and I'm pretty excited. And there we go, look. It's a wad of tissue paper, very exciting. Well, with this tissue paper, we know this is going to be a bronze watch. So give me a second off camera because these things take a while to get off. So here, look at that. This bronze watch here is to celebrate the 80th anniversary of the Oris Big Crown Pointer. Really cool. I love that green background. It's not a bright green or dark green. It kind of reminds you of like a card table or gaming table. Gives you that kind of vintage look. Very cool, very different. There you can see the the side view of it, and it's got a display window. You see the red rotor right there. The case back is stainless steel, but the case itself is bronze. And you can see the pointer there, that little crescent shape. It's hugging the 15th right now, and I kind of like the numbers there. It gives it that cool kind of like a old retro vibe with the way the font is for those numbers. Really interesting. You can see the hand go there. Very, very cool. So let's talk about some details of this watch. It's a 40mm case. The 40mm is bigger than most of the pointers that you'll see from Oris. That translates to about 1.57 inches, and it's a domed sapphire crystal on top. You can see it there on my wrist. The 40mm makes it feel more like a modern watch. It's got a vintage look, but the size gives it a little bit more of a modern feel, so it doesn't feel too tiny like a lot of smaller watches do often. So my wrist size is about 7.5 inches. You can see how it compares to the watch there. Compared to other watches you see nowadays, it does look a little small, but it is 40mm. It's really comfortable. It feels good. You can kind of ignore it when you're wearing it, and it's a watch that's sure to get a lot of attention because of the unique retro look of the watch. Now, if you want to put a new band on this guy here, it's about a 20mm width there between the horns, and the thing I'm not crazy about the watch is that it's only got a 5-bar water resistance. That's a little bit annoying. I kind of wish it was 100 meters. Yeah, I know it's an aviation watch, but I like a watch you can go from thing to thing without worrying about what you got on your wrist. Here we got the watch in the dark. Again, it's sort of a dress watch, so you can't expect too much lume. Thanks guys, have a good one.